Chapter 14 Smart Charts. Introduction. All of us enjoy watching TV or listening to the radio. How much time do we spend on this? Here is a boy named Raju who watches TV every day for 1 hour. How much time does he spend in watching TV in a week? There are 7 days in a week, and Raju watches TV for only 1 hour every day. So, 7 into 1 is equal to 7. Hence, in a week, he spends 7 hours in watching TV. How much time does he spend in a month? We know 1 month is equal to 30 days. The time spent on watching TV every day is 1 hour. So, multiplying 30 by 1, we get 30 hours. Thus, he spent 30 hours in a month on watching TV. Self-study. Which program? There are different types of programs on TV or radio, such as cartoons, news, sports, music and entertainment, etc. Juhi's father likes to watch serials. Her mother likes sports, while Juhi likes news programs. Example. A table showing the information about one program liked by the members of a family and one program disliked by them is given here. From this table, let us find the answer of the given questions. There are 3 columns in the table. The family members are given in the first column. In second column, the program they like, and in the third column, the program they dislike are given. Mother likes watching serials and dislikes news. Father likes news programs and dislikes serials. The elder brother likes watching films and does not like news. The younger sister loves cartoon and does not like watching news. Grandfather likes religious programs and dislikes films. Grandmother also likes watching religious programs and dislikes films. The uncle likes sports program and dislikes serials. Question 1. What kind of program do the most family members like? Solution. The most family members like religious programs. Question 2. What kind of program is disliked by the most family members? Solution. The most family members dislike news program. Self-study. Who is my friend? I have a friend with me always. In the nights and through the days. When I run, he runs with me. Sometimes I lead, sometimes he. When it's dark, he can't be seen. Do you know which friend I mean? Read the poem carefully and answer these questions. A. Which word comes most often in the poem? Solution. The word I comes most often in the poem. B. Which letter has been used most? Solution. The letter E has been used most. C. Which letter comes the least? Solution. The letters G and K come the least. Self-study. Food we eat. Children were talking about what things they eat in the morning, made of rice, wheat, maize, barley, etc. Vinay says, I eat rice and things made from rice. Vikas says, I eat chapatis made from wheat. Reshma says, but I eat rotis made from maize. Pinky says, I like to drink sattu made of barley. Suresh says, my favorite is porridge made from ragi. This table has been completed by collecting the information from the classmates. Observe the table and answer. There are 2 columns in the table. In the first column, main food, and in the second column, the number of children consuming the food are given. The number of children eating rice is 6. The number of children eating wheat is 32. The number of children eating bajra is 13. The number of children who consume maize is 2. The number of children who eat jowar is 1. And the number of children who consume ragi is 1. First, most children eat food made from wheat. Second, compare the number of children who eat rice with the number of children who eat wheat. Is it more, less, or equal? Solution: more. That is, the number of children who eat wheat is more than the number of children who eat rice. Third, compared to those who eat wheat, children eating ragi are more or less? Solution: less. That is, the children eating ragi are less than those eating wheat. Self-study. Preparing for the class drama. All children of a class are preparing for a drama. Some children are acting. Some are busy collecting the dresses. Some are bringing tables and chairs to make the seats. Here, the symbol triangle is shown, which indicates 3 children. The drama chart is shown here. On one side, the number of children, and on the other side, various activities such as acting, collecting dresses, playing music, making the sets are shown. From this chart, answer the given questions. A. How many children are acting in the drama? Solution: for acting, 3 triangles are drawn. 1 triangle means 3 children. Therefore, 3 triangle means 9 children. Hence, 9 children are acting in the drama. B. Which are more, children making the sets or those acting? Solution: the number of children acting is more, since the number is 9, while that making the sets is 6. C. What is being done by most of the children? Solution: most of the children are playing music, since the most number of triangles are shown there. D. How many children are collecting dresses? Solution: 6 children are collecting dresses. Self-study. Whose head is bigger? Activity: find out whose head is bigger. Material required: a pair of scissors, a waste paper sheet, and 1 big paper sheet. Cut the long paper strips from the waste paper. Give 1 strip to each of your friends. Now, wrap the paper strip around your head like this and tear off the extra strip. On a big sheet, paste these paper strips along a line. See, some children had pasted their strips and made a chart that looks like this. You can also make a chart which should look like this. Now, Using the scale, find out the length of each strip. The length of the longest strip is 50 centimeter. That means Madhu's head is the biggest. The smallest strip is 37 centimeter long. It belongs to Rohit. Self-study. Chapati chart. Pie chart. All children of a school take part in different clubs. As shown in the picture, some children take part in garden club, while some have taken part in games club and drawing club. Here, the number of children participating in different clubs is shown in the chapati chart. That is a pie chart. From this chart, we can see that half of the children in the class take part in games club. 1/4 of the children are member of the garden club. The drawing club also has 1/4 of the children of the class. Example. If there are 200 students in the school, look at the chapati chart and tell the number of members in each club. Solution. Here, the number of children in the games club is half the total number of children in the school. Therefore, if there are 200 students in the school, then half of it is 200 upon 2 is equal to 100. So, the number of children in the game club is 100. 1/4 of children are the member of garden club. So, multiplying 200 by 1 upon 4, we get 50. Hence, the garden club has 50 members. Similarly, to find the number of children in the drawing club, multiply the total number of students, which is 200, by 1 upon 4. We get 50. Hence, there are 50 members in the drawing club. Getting wet in the rain. Who likes to get wet in the rain? A child made this chapati chart after asking his friends. The children who like to get wet in the rain and those who do not like to get wet in the rain are shown in this chart here. See the chapati chart and tell how many children like to get wet in the rain. A. Half. B. 1/4. C. 3/4. Solution. C. 3/4. Next question. How many children do not like to get wet in the rain? A. Half. B. 1/4. C. 3/4. Solution. B. 1/4. Third, if the number of children in the class is 28, then tell the number of children. First, how many children like to get wet in the rain? Second, how many children do not like to get wet in the rain? Solution. Here, the total number of children is 28. 3/4 of the children like to get wet in the rain. To find 3/4 of 28, multiply 28 by 3 upon 4. The answer obtained is 21. So, 21 children like to get wet in the rain. Now, the number of children who do not like to get wet in the rain is 1/4 of the total number. So, we need to find 1/4 of 28. So, 28 into 1 upon 4 is equal to 7. Thus, 7 children do not like to get wet in the rain. Tea, coffee, or milk? Some children were asked which of these they liked most: tea, coffee, or milk. There are 2 columns in the table shown here. The first column is the drink they like: tea, coffee, or milk. And the second column shows the number of children. From the table, we can say that the children who like milk is 20. The number of children who like coffee is 10. And the number of children who like tea is 10. To find the total number of children, add the number of children who like milk, coffee, and tea. That is 20 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 40. So, the total number of children is 40. Find out from the table. Children who like milk are 1 upon 2 or 1 upon 4 of the total children. Solution: 1 upon 2. Since the total number of children is 40 and if we multiply 40 by 1 upon 2, we get 20, which indicates the number of children who like milk. Second question. Children who like coffee are 1 upon 2 or 1 upon 4 of the total children. Solution: 1 upon 4. Since the total number of children is 40 and if 40 is multiplied by 1 upon 4, we get 10, which indicates the number of children who like coffee. Third question. Show the liking for tea, coffee or milk in a chapati chart. Solution: drawing a circle like this and making 4 equal parts. As per given table, 20 children are like to drink milk. That is, half of them like to drink milk. So, out of 4 parts, we will color 2 of it and write 20 children. Now, 10 children like tea and coffee. So, we will color remaining 2 1/4 part with 2 different colors. Last write 10 children in both parts. Self-study.